Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this real-world outbound call journey. We'll follow Anita from ABC Insurance as she helps Mr. Raj renew his car policy, step by step. You'll see how smart campaign planning feeds a predictive dialer, how answered calls route instantly to trained agents, and how quick verification leads into a focused conversation. We'll wrap with resolution in the CRM, swift confirmations to the customer, after-call work for clean records, and post-interaction analytics to measure ROI. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical view of what great outbound calling looks like, end to end. Step 1. Campaign planning. An insurance company is preparing to remind customers whose car policies are about to expire in the next 2 weeks. The target list includes 10,000 customers, each needing timely communication to avoid policy lapses. The goal is simple: renew the policy before the expiry date to ensure uninterrupted coverage. The call strategy uses a predictive dialer to maximize efficiency, with calls scheduled at the most effective time window, between 5 and 8 in the evening, when customers are most likely to answer. Strategic planning sets the foundation for a successful campaign. Step 2. The dialing stage. The outbound dialer system automatically begins calling customers from the target list. Some calls go unanswered, others may reach voicemail, where the system logs the attempt and schedules a callback automatically. And when a customer picks up, the call is instantly connected to a live agent, ensuring a smooth transition and no wasted time. Step 3. Call connection. Mr. Raj answers his phone. The moment the call is detected as answered, the system instantly assigns it to the next available agent. No delays. No confusion. A seamless handoff between technology and the human touch. Step 4. Customer verification. The agent greets the customer warmly. "Hello Mr. Raj, this is Anita from ABC Insurance. Could you please confirm your date of birth for verification?" Mr. Raj provides the correct details, and the agent quickly verifies his account in the CRM system. This step ensures both security and personalization before moving forward. Step 5. Conversation and engagement. The agent informs the customer, "Your car insurance policy is set to expire in 14 days. I can help you renew it right now so you don't lose coverage." Mr. Raj raises a few questions about the premium increase. The agent explains the benefits clearly, addresses his concerns, and even offers a small loyalty discount. Satisfied with the information, Mr. Raj agrees to renew his policy immediately. Step 6. Resolution and next steps. The agent processes the policy renewal directly in the CRM system. Within moments, the customer receives instant confirmation through both SMS and email. The call outcome is then marked as renewal completed, ensuring accurate records for future tracking. Step 7. After-call work. The agent logs detailed notes in the CRM, customer renewed policy, applied loyalty discount. The outcome is tagged as successful sale, and the system automatically updates the campaign statistics, ensuring accurate records and real-time reporting. Step 8. Post-interaction analytics. At the end of the campaign, managers review performance dashboards. They track the contact rate, 65% of numbers answered. The conversion rate, 28% of renewals completed via calls. The revenue impact, a total of 25 lakhs collected in premiums. and agent productivity, averaging 35 calls per agent per day. These insights help refine future campaigns for even better results. Here are the key learnings from this campaign. First, the predictive dialer saved time by skipping unanswered calls, allowing agents to focus on real conversations. Second, AI-powered routing ensured Rat's call was connected to an agent trained specifically in insurance renewals. Third, CRM integration enabled real-time verification and instant processing of policy renewals. And finally, post-call analytics provided valuable insights, helping the business measure the true return on investment. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.